Hello everyone, this is Lisa and Timothy with the Home Hunters YouTube channel, and today we'll show you one house in Minnesota and the second house in Louisiana. The first property is listed at $135,000, has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just under 1,200 square feet. It was built in 1900 and is on about a 10,000 square foot lot. And by the way, it is in Eveleth, Minnesota. Has a huge fenced yard, an oversized 2-stall garage with attached screen porch. It has a new natural gas boiler, new carpet, and a huge lot. It's in a convenient location. It's been on the market for 14 days. The listing agent is Matt Renstoff with Perla and Associates. There's no phone number listed, unfortunately. Okay, now let's look at the photos. Very nice looking from the outside, especially with the snow on the ground. It's very pretty. Looks kind of like a church.
It does look like a church. I like the trees.
Me too. And here's the fenced yard.
That's a nice fence too. It's not like a normal chain link. It looks different.
Yeah. This is the back of the property. There's a little shed out here. Nice finished shed.
Wow. Looks like a little rental.
It does, yeah.
Doesn't it? Or like a she shed or a he shed.
There's your 2-car garage right here. Okay, so that's part of the garage we saw.
I noticed that.
That's why it was so nice, yeah. So I think we'll see the inside of the garage later.
There's your kitchen.
Got quite a few cabinets in there.
A lot of good cabinets and a window, and that is 17.5 by 13. That's the dimensions on the I'm sorry. The kitchen is 13 by 12. I'm sorry.
13 by 12.
You've got an electric stove, a microwave.
This is your dining area.
It's nice to have that dining right there.
I like the chandelier.
Lots of windows in that dining room.
I noticed that,
Very
yeah.
nice. I like that a lot. That's your living room. And the living room is 17.5 by 13.
It's very nice. I like the banister here. And I do notice there is a window unit in the wall.
Yeah, I see that.
Got lots of nice windows in here too. Here's one of your bedrooms.
Is this the bedroom that is 9.5 by 8.5?
Probably, yeah. Got lots of storage space. Here's your secondary bedroom.
This one, I believe, is 12 by 9.5.
Okay.
Okay.
And 3rd bedroom right there. So this is like a small bedroom you could use as an office space.
The measurements are off. That one is the one that's 9.5 by 8.5 right there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good for an office or a nursery.
Yeah. One of your 2 bathrooms.
This looks like the entry, or
yeah, I think this is the entryway.
A closet right there.
A coat closet. And here's your little basement here with your washer and dryer down there. Looks to be really clean. Nice. And there's the garage. It's a very big garage with a bonus room over here. Very nice and clean and big.
Yeah,
I like it.
That garage.
Lots of space for storage. Okay, now let's see where this property is located. It is in... Wait. Okay, I don't have it pulled up right now, so we're just going to have to move on to the next one for now. Sorry about that. Okay, so the next one is in Mansura, Louisiana, and it's listed at $100,000. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2,500 square feet, and it's on an acre lot. It was built in 1919. It's been on the market for 52 days.
Okay, and it says the listing agent is Susan Rogers with the Alpha Team, and her number is 318-201-9652. And this one has high ceilings, hardwood floors. It has a large utility room and a pantry with plenty of storage and a sunroom. So you want to look at the pictures of this one?
Yep, let's look at it. Here's your back porch right here. And your formal living area. The fireplace.
The living room is 11 by 12.
It has nice hardwood floors in here too.
I love the windows. The floor, the windows. I like the fireplace.
They're nice.
It has a lot of character, you know.
There's your dining room right here with some big windows. Has a window seat here too. Here's your kitchen.
The kitchen is 14 by 12. That looks to be linoleum, probably.
Yeah, it looks like to me. And here's your second living area right here. One of your bedrooms. One of your 2 bathrooms. This property has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It has 2,500 square feet.
And the bedrooms are 8 by 10, 12 by 12, and 12 by 12. That's the 3 bedroom sizes. 8 by 10, 12 by 12, and 12 by 12.
And this is your smallest bedroom right here. Got lots of windows in here.
Wow, that's a bedroom?
I think so, yeah.
I thought that was like a little nook.
Yeah. Okay, now let's see where this one is located. I have this one pulled up. Okay, so it's in Mansura, Louisiana. It's north of Lafayette and south of Alexandria. It's more in the central east part of Louisiana. Here it is on street view right here. Got lots of trees around it.
I see the shadow of the Google car.
Me too. Lots of trees. Very nice. You got some commercial buildings around here, and there's a railroad tracks over here. Here's some of your neighbors.
Does it have, where's the, yeah, that's what I was looking for, the drive.
Here's a driveway with a 2-car carport. Looks like it could easily be made into a garage. Okay, guess that will do it for us today. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.